Okay, this is a demonstration of DroidScript. You can see here it's on my phone. This is a screenshot of my phone. It will show what I'm doing on my phone using AirDroid. Okay, this is going to be a little confusing. So anyway, I'm going to start up DroidScript by touching it with my finger. So when you start up DroidScript, these are all the apps I've built already. And let's just do a basic one. Let's see if we can find Hello World. Oh, there it is, that blue guy over on the right. So I can run DroidScript on my phone just by clicking on that, and it'll run. And it says press me, and then it vibrates and says Hello World. But that's not the best way to do it. The best way to do it is using this here, this icon, Wi-Fi Connect. And what that lets me do is go to a PC and do all my work there and connect to the phone using this IP address. So I'm going to go to the web browser and I'm going to go to that address and I have to put in a password, ABCD, and now I'm in DroidScript on my computer and I can do my work here. I'll just change, let's see, Hello World to Hello Worlds. And I run it here, and what happens is it runs on my phone. Watch it run. There it is. And when I click press me with my finger, now it says Hello Worlds. Okay, so do you get it? I'm working on my app here on the code on my computer and running it by clicking this button, and it runs on my phone. And as you can see, there it is. And it's running on my phone. I touch the phone and it goes Hello Worlds. Okay, so that gives you an idea of the environment. Okay, so let's look at an actual app. So I do all my work from here on my computer. And to pick my apps, I just go here. And here's what my stage lighting system looks like when I run it. Okay, it actually runs best in, oh, I better go back and fix that, yeah. It runs in landscape mode. So there it is. There's my you know, my buttons and such. I can't run it because I'm not connected to the hardware right now. But anyway, those are the big buttons I have for running my lights, and this one here is the color chase one. Yeah. Anyway, so that's the performance side of the app. So let's stop that. Okay, so the way I'm developing it now, so I can use a database to store my sequences, is let me show you the controls first, the way they're going to work. So here's the controls program. I'll run that and I'll go to my phone. And these are my controls. So watch as I slide this one. That's red, that's green, that's blue, that's white. I still got to put some text on the screen. This is pan for the left light, this is pan for the right light, and if I put sync on and off, I only have to move one of those and the other one will synchronize with it. I haven't implemented that yet. And this one is how many milliseconds it will stay for that sequence, and when I'm ready I just press next and it stores that one in, and I go and change it and do next and such, and when I'm done I press done. Okay, so that's the way that's going to work. It's somewhat of a mock-up right now. The functionality is not built yet. Okay, so that is that part of it. The other part of it is the database part. Right? The other big part of this project is the database part. So I've got a, where is it? Oh, there it is. Database app where I'm learning to store data in the database. And so when I run this one, I've got, I'll remove from database so to clear all the data. And I've just got two sliders. Right now they're both at 0, so if I click next it's putting 0, 0 into the database. And if I put the first one at, say, 20% or something, 20, that one's at 255. If I click next now, it's 61 and 255. If I go halfway, that'll be around 128. Oh, 135, good enough. Okay, so that is me being able to, here I'm going to close the app and rerun the app. And you'll see all the data still there in the database. Okay, I can remove from database, and it goes away, and it starts over at 1, 2, 3. That's just the index of the records in the database. So there's an idea of how you develop using DroidScript. It's an amazing tool for developing apps on your phone.